before we define the next level of multi-level societies, we have to acknowledge that there are specific stratified subgroups that can do the same function. So, for example, there's breeding bands, bachelor bands. This is a good time to bring up some examples. So, breeding bands, bachelor bands. Okay. This is a multi-level society of elephants, and these are the different stratums that are in them. So these are going to be different family stratums. So different family units can exist within the clan of the elephant. But of course, there's another stratum of individual lone males that actually are technically not within this society, but come in and socialize. Even if they socialize a little bit, you have to remember when you speed up this process, you can see the males coming in and out or interacting with the females in certain ways, which makes them part of the emergent system and making it a significantly statistically important detail in the existence of that society. Okay, but all of these worlds are to be recognized as independent and separate stratums. I had a picture also of a shopping mall in my original manuscript where I showed the different stores where they all coexist within the context of a larger shopping mall. And then small groups of friends are the egalitarian little bacteria that come in and out and buy stuff, whereas most of the stores are actually governed by the managers of those stores, which is a hierarchical entity. Similarly here, they did some research on snub-nosed monkeys. This was fascinating to find because they have different stratums, which is when the male, the alpha male, is in a specific family group with offspring, there's only one male. Whereas there's bachelor bands that are swimming around, very similar in some ways to the way elephants work, just shows how similar animals really are. But the entire colony, or it's not even a colony because they depend on each other. Like, you can almost think of this as a backup, that if anything happens to the male in the main family, there's available bachelors who jump in and maintain that society, which makes it a very stable system. So it's very important to recognize that this thing is not just independent. They are actually, to some degree, genetically even, stratified into a specific behavioral niche that exists in a specific stratum of that society.